Hello, and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, Polkadot, we're waiting here for a clear signal that it's starting to go up. It's prepared, it's equipped. I mean, all that really needs to happen is the bulls need to show up. Now, at this stage, I am still skeptical if it's already doing it. Again, it's ready. It has fulfilled the minimum requirements of this correction. That's basically it. Okay, so now you're basically where you need to be with this correction, and it can turn around at any point. But I can tell you that obviously now we need to be watching for potential turning points and reversal signals here, but I can't see one at this stage. The key thing that you need to understand is that against the $4.50 support level, price can go higher in a third wave. Let's assume that the low is already in here and that the low was made on the 7th of August. What would be a target for the third wave rally? Because that is what technically would come next if we can get the follow through. Targeting at least the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of the wave 1. We talk about $7.15, but it needs to go. I mean, yes, we broke out of this descending wedge to the upside, but the sentiment just doesn't seem to be there, right? Normally when you get these pattern breakouts, you sometimes get follow through, sometimes not, but lately you don't really see these follow throughs a lot. So what you need to see is typically an increase in volume. Let's check that. Obviously the volume is pretty much not there. The fact that there is literally no volume, but let me check. Okay, we on Bitfinex, so that's Binance, same story. Okay, you just don't see the follow through at this stage. You don't see the volume come in. Volume is pretty low. If we see volume start, especially buying volume, that would be an indication that this correction could be finished. As long as the volume is still very low, it could very much be that this correction is still ongoing. Yes, we have 5 waves down in the C wave. That is what we need. But these can always extend. This just indicates the minimum requirements. Whenever such a corrective pattern is complete, A, B, so the B wave was a triangle here with the C wave down, then we need to be watching for clear signals into the opposite direction. But so far, can't see anything yet. I think I said it in the last video, a first indication that the trend is shifting to the upside would be a break above the wave 4 high at 522, and it would then need to follow through above 550, which is the B wave high, the end of the triangle. A break above that level would give us further confidence that a third wave rally to around about $7.15 or higher has started. Bear in mind, key resistance is here around $7.60 all the way up to $8. Yeah, this will need to be broken at some point, but there is a lot of work to do, and I cannot rule out at this stage that there will be another low. As you can see, in the looking at the bigger picture, this has not been convincing enough in terms of movement to the upside to really say a low is in here or anything. Yes, if we push higher in a third wave, then this would get definitely interesting. We would still be super early, but as you can see, it basically made a new low here on the 10th of June. The problem is the same problem that we have on the link chart as well. The move down was only in 3 waves. So if we really bottomed here on the 10th of June, it remains a bit unclear how that fits into the bigger picture. Other interpretations are possible, like we're exploring on the ADA chart, maybe even an overall triangle developing here. That would be super boring, yeah? A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave in a sideways triangle. I'm already tracking a triangle here, yeah? But yeah, we'll see how this all develops. I mean, there are different ways how this can be counted. Definitely a 3-wave move down is something that doesn't give me a lot of confidence that it already bottomed, because ideally we want to end such a bear market in 5 waves. So nevertheless, we're exploring the possibility of further upside, at least short term, because we could identify a potential 5-wave move up here into the July highs, then a potential 3-wave move down. And as long as we're holding $4.50, we can expect at least another rally. Okay, if that remains a 3-wave rally, or if we get a 4 and a 5, that also remains to be seen. We need 5 waves to get some a long-term trend reversal signal, then 3 waves down. That would be the next trade setup. But we take it level by level at the moment. But important would be really to avoid a break below $4.50, absolutely, and then in the next step to rally to that $7.15 level. That would give some additional confidence. And then we can see, do we hold a wave 4? Do we get a wave 5 as well? That's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.